Before the opening bell, U.S. indices, they closed lower on Thursday, pressured by shares in semiconductors and semiconductor equipment, automobiles and components, and tech, hardware, and equipment sectors. On the economic docket, the U.S. trade deficit amounting to $50 billion in March, PPI rising 2.2% year over year in April, and wholesale inventories falling 0.1% month over month in March. In other news, initial jobless claims slightly dropping to 228,000 in the week ended May 4th from 230,000, while continuing claims rising to 1.684 million. This as 54% of S&P 500 constituents traded lower yesterday. Now, after the markets closed, News Corp announcing third quarter adjusted EPS of 4 cents from 6 cents a year ago on revenue of $2.46 billion. Meanwhile, overseas, the Asian markets continue to rise overnight. The Nikkei is down about 0.25%, but the Hang Seng up 0.84%. China CSI 300 up 3.63%. South Korea's Kospi up 0.29%. European markets are rebounding and U.S. futures call for a mixed open. Now, in terms of expectations today, we have Marriott International, JD.com, and Viacom, while on the economic docket, we have at 8:30 in the morning the April inflation rate. Now, over in the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees its target at 2838.50. The Nasdaq, that's capped by a negative trend line and in focus. As long as the resistance at 76.43 is not surpassed, the risk of the break below 75.45 remains high. Short positions below 76.43 are favored, with targets at 75.45 and 74.90 in extension. While the Dow Jones sees its key resistance 25,920.